So good morning student, today I am going to show you the exercise 6.2 remaining questions. Let's see question number 6. The topper in a public examination scored 945 marks out of 1000. Express the marks in percent. So public examination like government's and like job examination or any other exams. Okay. So topper means those who score highest mark. Okay. So their topper scored how much? 945 out of what? 1000, out of 1000. Okay. Now, and you have to convert into in percentage form. Express the marks in percent. Okay. So in the solution, first we will write the topper score scored 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 how much mark? 945 out of 1000. So this one numerator will write 945 and out of 1000, that's why in denominator we will write 1000. Okay, so now according to question, express the marks in percent. So next, the percent of marks scored, therefore let percent of marks scored. So if you want to if you convert any fraction number or any decimal number into percentage form, you just multiply it by 100 and give outside percent sign. Okay, so these things we'll use here, we'll use there. So percent of marks scored this 945 by 1000, this one will convert into percentage. So 945 by 1000 and then you into sign will give and 100 will write. Okay, outside the bracket will give percent symbol. Okay, and then 0 and this 0 will cut, and next directly we'll write 945 by 10. Okay, 945 by their denominator 10. Now from their denominator 10 have, that means how many zeros are there? Percentage, how many zeros? 1 0. So before one digit we put the decimal. Okay, now it is 94, it will be 94.5. so according to question, how much? 94.5%. so the topper scored how much percent? 94.5%. that means in out of 100, 94.5 got. Okay, okay, now after, hope this one you understood. Now see question number 7. Here what written, you see the question number 7 written, 320 kg ripe chili. The chili, you know, fruit are dried. When dried, they weight 88 kg. By how much percent has the weight reduced? We have to find out the percentage of reduced weight. So first, given what you see in the solution, the 320 kg ripe chili, right? Fruit are dried. That means before dried the weight is how much? The before dried the weight is 320 kg, right? So we'll write here weight of ripe chili before dried equal to 320 kg. This one is given to you, right? And after dried the weight become 88 kg of this ripe chili. Okay, so the weight of ripe chili chili after dried the weight is 88 kg, right? The weight is how much? Given 88 kg. Okay. Now according to question, we have to find out the reduced weight. So a percentage of reduced weight. Now the reduced weight will be, you see, the before dried the weight is 320 kg, after dried the weight become 88 kg. Therefore the reduced weight will be this 320 minus 88, you will get the reduced weight. Here we will write the reduced weight reduce REDUCED reduced weight 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 equal to 320 kg minus 88 kg. Okay, so now if we subtract from 320 kg to 88 kg, then we will get 0 minus 8 not possible, so we will take 1 10 minus 8 2, and there remain 1, so there again we will take 1, then it will be 11 minus 8 is 3, there remain what 2 minus 2. Okay, now it is 232 kg, right? So next we have to find out the percentage of reduced weight. So therefore the percentage of reduced weight, here we will write percentage of reduced weight. So before that the weight is 320 kg, right? So here we will write the before 320 kg, this one will write in the denominator, then after that the weight reduced, it become 232, right? So we need to convert into percentage, so here we will multiply it by 100. Okay, and give outside percentage symbol, percentage sign. Okay, now we will cut 0 and this 0, and okay, now we will cut by 2 this one. If we cut by 2, then it will be 16, and if you cut by 2, then there will be 2 how many times into 1 time, and this 3 how many 2 how many times in 3 1 time, and remain what 1. Now it is 2 12, so 6 2 is 12. Again we will cut this 16 by 2, then it will be 8, and this one will be 5 2 is 10, remaining 1, here 11 is there, and then it is 16, 5 8 2 8 is 16, so it will be 58, right? Again we will cut by 2, then it will be 4, because 4 2 is 8, and if we cut this one by 2, then it will be 29. Okay, there is 29. Now you see there is 4. If we cut this 4 by 2, then there will be 2, and there is 10 have, if we cut by 10 by 2, then it will be 5, because 5 2 is 10. Now here remain what 29, the denominator 2 and numerator have 29 into 5, so 5 into 29 you can write. Okay, and outside you give percentage, and then if you multiply 5 into 29, then we will get, here denominator will be 2, and 5 9 ja 45, there, so you see 9 5 9 ja, there will be 5 9 ja 45, remaining 4, then 5 2 ja 10 plus 4 14, 145. Okay, so 145 by 2%. This one will write into decimal form. 2 how many times in 14? 7 times. Okay, and 2 how many times in 5? 2 times. 2 2 ja 5, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, remain what 1. So now we'll give decimal sign, and we'll add 0 with this one. Now it is, now it will be 10. 10 2 how many times in 10? 5 times, so 72.5. So the question, this is the reduced weight percent. Okay, so the division I will show there. This one done for you. From there you see. Okay, so hope this division you understood. 72.5 how came. Now see question number 9. What written? See, the price of an inland cover, how much has increased from 70 pice to 1 rupee. So here pice given and another one is rupees given, right? So now we have to find the by how much percent did the price of the inland cover increase. Now earlier price is what? Old price is 75 pice, okay, and new price is 1 rupees. So how much percent of weight in price increase? Okay, so again the increased price, first we'll write the old price. So in the solution we'll write first old price is how much? 75 pice, right? P for price, or you can write directly P also, no problem. Okay, the new price here what rupees? 1 rupee. So increase 75 to 1 rupee. So old price is 75 pice and increase price, new price is 1 rupee. So we'll convert this 1 rupee into pice, because here old price is 75 pice, so new price is rupees. So we'll convert this 1 rupee into pice. Then 1 rupee equal to how many pice? How much? 100 pice, right? Hundred pice, right? So next, from there, here in the according to the question increase price, right? So here we'll write the increase price. How much increase? Earlier is 75 price, now new price is 100 price. So from there new price minus old price. Okay, so new price is 100, the 100 P for price minus 75 pice. Okay, so 7, if you subtract from this, and then you will get 25 pice. So therefore the now we will write the percent of increased price will be the old price was 75 and new price increased price is 25, right? So increased price will write there and give 100 multiply, and outside will give percentage sign. Okay, so now if we cut by 25 and 75, then 25 how many times in 75? 3 times. There remain 1 into 100. If we multiply 1 into 100, then it will be 100 and denominator 3, right? And percentage. Okay, so if we convert into mixed number, then it will be 33. 3 how many times in 10? 3 times, right? 3 3 9, remain again 1 10, then again 3 3 10, 3 3 9, and what remain? 1. Now 1 by 3%. Okay, now this is the answer. Okay, so according to question, by how much percent did inland cover increase? Okay, so there is percent T not written, right? Okay, so this is the answer. Now question number 10. What's the a man earned rupees 2500 every month. So his monthly income is how much? 2500, and he spends on rupees 1625 out of his income. Okay, so he spent and rest of the earning in the bank. Express the deposit as a percentage of the earning. That means after spending he how much money saves, that one he is deposit in the bank. So first we'll write the solution. We'll write the monthly earning is how much? 2500. 2500. And monthly spends here, spends how much? Rupees 1625. Okay, rupees 1625. And rest of the money earning he deposit in the bank, right? So rest of this earning is how much? It will be the monthly earning minus monthly spends. Okay, the rest of the earning will be rupees 2500 minus rupees 1625. It will be the rest of the earning. That means this rest of the earning he deposit in the bank. Okay, so how much? 2500. From 2500 we have to subtract 1625, then we will get here 10. 0 minus 5 not possible. Now 10 minus 5 5. Okay, now there remain 9. 9 minus 2 7. Okay, and there remain what? 4. 4 minus 6 not possible. Take 14. If we take 1, then it will be 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 875. Now there remain 1 and 1. 1 minus 1 0. Now rupees 875. This is his monthly saving. That this rest of the earning, that means this one is saving. Okay, this savings money he deposit in the bank. Okay, so according to question, express the deposit as a percentage. So he deposit in the bank how much? Rupees 875. How much? 875. Now we have to express in the percentage how much money he deposit in the bank of his earning. So therefore percentage of deposit, the percentage of deposit percent of deposit of the earning, what the total his earning is how much? 2500. Out of 2500 his monthly saving is 875. Okay, 800, and this one he deposit in the bank, so 875. Okay, now need to convert into percentage, so we multiplied by 100, right? And give outside, you give percentage sign. Okay, now 0 and 0, this 0 and this 0 will cut. Now if we cut by 5, then it will be 25. 5 is 25, and if we cut by 5, then it will be 5 how many times in 8? 1 times, and remaining what? 3, 37 and 37, right? Then 5 7 is 35, remaining 2, 25. Now 5 5 is 25. Again if we cut by 5, there is 5 1 is 5, and there is 5 how many times? 17 3 times, remaining what? 2, 25. Now 5 5 is 25. There remain what? 35. So next there will be 35%. According to question, the percentage of the earning deposit as a percentage of earning. The percentage of the deposit of the earning 35%. Okay. Now question number 11. See. Question number 11, what written? Rohan travel 50 km by bus and 150 kilometer by train. Find what percent of the total journey he traveled by bus and what percent by train. That means from the total journey, how much percent he traveled by bus and how much percent he traveled by train. So in the solution we'll write traveled by bus, traveled by bus, how much? 50 kilometer, right? So equal to will give and will write here 50 kilometer. Okay, and next travel by what, comma will give by train, how much? 150 kilometer. So traveled by, directly will give comma, there will give, if comma then it will be travel, and then by comma, by in place of bus now will write train. Okay, and the train, 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 how much kilometer? It's train 150 kilometer. Okay, now next total journey, therefore the total journey by both bus and train, so total journey will be what, this 150 kilometer plus 50 kilometer, the total journey will be how, 50 plus 50 kilometer plus 150 kilometer, it will be 200 kilometer, right? So here we'll write 150 kilometer. Okay, so now there will be 200 kilometer. Okay, so according to question we have to find out the how much percent he traveled by bus out of 200 kilometer, that means total journey. So therefore percent of journey traveled by bus, percent of journey by bus, the total journey is 200, this one will write in denominator. Okay, and by bus how much, 50 kilometer, right? He traveled by bus 50 kilometer, then we need to convert into percent, then we will multiply it by 100 and give outside percentage symbol. Okay, percentage sign. Now 0 will cut, here will be percentage sign. Okay, 0 cut, now there remain 2 and there 50. So if we cut by 2 this 50, then it will be 25 and 202, right? So now what remain, 25%, that means he traveled by bus how much percent, 25% of his total journey. Now next, percentage of journey by what, and the percent of journey by train. So I will write percentage of journey by train. Okay, how much, total 200 and there 150, right? So 150 by, there will write denominator 200 and numerator will be 150. We need to convert into percentage, then we have to multiply it by 100 and outside will give percentage sign. Okay, so then if we cut this 0 and this 0 and again we will cut this 0 and this 0 and here remain 2, if we cut 202 and this 150 if I cut by 2, then there will be 75. Okay, because 275 ja 150. Now here what remains? 75%, because 75 1 ja 75, so it is 75%. So hope you understood this one. This is the answer according to question. Percentage of journey by bus and percentage of journey by train, this one. Okay, now next question, question number 12. You see what written? Mr. O'Neill has an in income rupees 4800 per month. If he spends 70% of his income, find out how much money he saved. He spent 70% out of his income. So first we'll find out how much he spent. Okay, so here given what in the solution we'll write he saves. Find out how much money he saves. So he has spent is this much. If we find the spends, then from the total earning we'll subtract this spends, we'll get our saving. So given, we'll write here solution. In the solution we'll write first monthly income. How much? Rupees 4800, right? This one given in the question. 4800. Now here 75%, he spent 70%, right? So monthly spend 70% of his income. His income is how much? 4800. So spend, here we'll write 70%. Here what? 70% of his income, right? Yes. So we will write 70% of rupees 4800. Here we will write 4800, no, 70%. So 70% means 100 out of 100. So here we will write in the denominator 100. Okay, so into will give, oh yeah, here will be off not written, right? Off you write, and here you give multiply sign and rupees what? 4800 will write here. 4800. Okay, now we'll cut this 0 and this 0, and again this one and this one. Now in the denominator 1 remain, right? So in rupees will now 70 will multiplied by this 48. 70 rupees 70 into rupees 48. Okay, so if we multiply this, then we will get 3360. Okay, so now next, if you multiply 70 into 48, then it will be 3360. Okay, now we have to find, this one is monthly spends. Okay, now we have to find, we will find out the his monthly saving. So monthly saving need to find out, right? So from his total income 4480, we'll subtract this 3000, his monthly spends, then we'll get his monthly savings. Okay, so monthly saving will be this 4800 minus the 3360, then rupees 4800 minus rupees 3360. Okay, if we minus from 4800 to 3360, then we will get 1440. So according to question, find how much money he saves. So his monthly saving is 1440. hope you will understood. So rest of the questions I will show in the next video. Okay, so this video you will see from beginning to last. Okay.